Hi everyone, this week's Technique Tuesday we are talking about the ring row. This is a great scale for pull-ups and it also helps us build upper body strength. You want to set the rings approximately shoulder width apart with a full grip on the rings. Start with your arms and legs fully extended and pull the elbows back until the rings touch the sides of the chest. The arms move close to the body remains rigid the entire time, and the movement is complete at full arm extension. You can scale this movement by moving the body into a less horizontal position. This has been the ring row. Enjoy.